Hi, my name's Ben Conway. I attend Havering College and I'm studying MVQ Level 2 Food Preparation and Cooking. Right, I'm going to show you how to make some ravioli now. I've got my pasta dough which I made earlier, and first thing I want to do is lightly dust this area around here, and I want to just roll this a little bit. Right, we've got our pasta machine here. I'm going to put it on the thickest setting, and I just want to roll this through. Okay, I'm now going to change the setting on here to make it slightly narrower, and I push the button down, turn the cog once, there we go. And there's our nice thin pasta sheets to make our ravioli. Okay, we're going to make 5 raviolis, and we need tops and bottoms for each of them. So I'm just going to cut them out now. Okay, so we've got our ravioli pasta sheets now. I'm going to quickly dust a cling film board here with flour. This stops the ravioli sticking to it. Okay, so what we're going to do, we've got an egg wash made up here, and I just want to wash the bottom there, and a little bit of the filling. You don't want to put too much in the filling, otherwise it won't seal properly, and then the filling will leak out once you're cooking it. Now, to seal these, I've got another pastry cutter here, and I want to quickly dip that in flour, and I want to put that over the top. I'm using the back of the cutter here, and I don't want to cut through the pastry, I just want to seal it. Okay, now we're going to cook the raviolis that we've made. I've got a pan of boiling water here, which I'm just going to salt. And now I want to place the raviolis into the water. And these are going to sit in the boiling water for about 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, these look just about done to me. So what I want to do is drain them onto a tray with a clean tea towel. Take that one by one. Drain the water off because you don't want it soggy. Now I'll get the tomato sauce which I made earlier. Okay, and now you want to very gently put the raviolis on top of the tomato sauce. And we're going to serve this with some parmesan on the top. And sprinkling of chives. And that is a chicken stuffed ravioli with a tomato sauce.